Alright, we're back at the Encore, and they also have a Derby Deluxe. It's like now this trip we're seeing them everywhere. We are back in our room. Here is the view at night. There's a slight glare, but it's beautiful. Look at that traffic. Look. Oh my god, it's crazy. Alright, so it was a good day. It's only 6 o'clock here in Vegas, but it's 8 o'clock St. Louis time, which is what we're operating on, and we've been up since 3 a.m. Well, oh, can you hear that siren?
There he is right there.
There he is.
The Encore sign's right there. Encore.
There, you can see it. Oh, when I zoom in, you can totally see the window. Totally dirty. I do not want to be the window washer at this place.
You can see the circus tent.
Yes, you can. There is the circus tent.
The Chuck E. Cheese sign. I mean, circus.
The circus sign.
What did I say?
You said Chuck E. Cheese.
Okay,
So yeah, we did get our goals done today, but we have a whole bunch of goals for tomorrow too. That's like really cool. Like I wish they were playing the hockey game.
I know. We could
on
totally
that
watch
building
the
right
game
there.
On that building.
On that building. But anyway, let's see if we can get it on. So this TV in our room does, yay, we could lay in bed, or I want to sit in here looking at the view. Not for sure if the hockey game, the St. Louis hockey game, is playing downstairs in all the sports lounges, but they have like a wall of TVs, and so like only one of the screens has the game. So 8 TVs, I can't focus on one screen at a time. My mind just, I can't. So we had to come back to the room so I could watch the game. I don't know why I do this to myself. There's no Blues game. And every time there's no Blues game on this TV. So not a huge channel selection choice. There are 5 sports channels. Not a single one has hockey. One has beach volleyball, like who's playing beach volleyball right now. And then one was college basketball. And then, I don't know, it wasn't hockey, whatever the others were. Can you tell I'm tired? So it's fine. I'll just listen to the game on my phone. But they're playing, it's just frustrating because they are playing the games downstairs, like in the sports lounges. But like I said earlier, they got like 20 TVs going on, and I can't focus on one TV when there's 20. My mind just can't focus on one when there's 20 things to look at. So that's fine. I love the Blues, but this is not their good year. They're not doing that good. So we'll figure out, what else do we want to watch? Do we want to watch the Weather Channel? Honey, you want to watch
You want to bet on the weather?
Can you bet on the weather?
I don't know. I would like to bet on the
see what
airlines.
Food Network.
Flights and stuff. I'm going to bet on those.
They do have here the Flight Channel. You can see, like, this is interesting.
See, there you go.
What we can sit here and watch flights get canceled when the storm hits in St. Louis. This is hilarious.
Buffalo Sabres.
Harry Reid International. Where's that at? That's not the Las Vegas. Is that the Las Vegas? Is this only for Las Vegas Airport? I guess that would make sense. Okay, this is Robert being like, Jenny, you're stupid. I am. I'm sorry.
I'm surprised they changed the name of it to Harry Reid. It used to be like McCarran or.
Yeah,
like
it was.
that.
Yes,
But
yeah.
then since Harry Reid
Who's
kicked the bucket.
All right, I'm gonna be even more stupid. Who's Harry Reid?
He was a politician.
Okay.
Represented the area, state.
Okay. Oh my god. I'm just tired.
Some loved him, some hated him.
So this is what we do for entertainment. Is that the Blues game?
Our charter communications will not let us watch the hockey game.
No, I didn't think so, but we could hear it. We just can't watch it.
Yeah, I thought I'd give it a whirl though.
All right. This is gonna be the rest of our fun, exciting night.
No, it's not.
Watching the.
I'm taking it to the streets.
You're taking it to the streets. What does that mean?
I'm getting out of this damn place.
Let's see what's on the Food Network.
Party like it's
1999. Oh, it's Chopped. I love Chopped, but I've seen them all 20 billion times.
Boring.
Here, you wanna see boring? I'll show you boring.
The Weather Channel.
No, this is the Golf Channel. What could be
Oh my
more
God,
boring
this
than the
is-
Golf Channel? Sorry for everyone who likes golf. Seriously. A channel dedicated to it? Alright,
It is so
let's
boring.
see as the world panics, or the US panics as there's snow.
Of course they do.
Snow lingers to close that week. Alright, day 2 of Vegas. We are walking from the Encore to the Bellagio. So we could totally like weave our way through the hotels. Like the Encore is connected to the Wynn, and then there's a slight crosswalk from the Wynn to get to the Palazzo. But it takes time to weave through all the hotels. So we're gonna walk the strip, see if that's any better. So I haven't been recording this whole walk because every hotel has outside music blaring and I'm just gonna get a copyright strike. But literally I wish I would have been recording because there was almost an accident right here in front of us. People leaving, not paying attention, almost hit each other. But this music is so loud. So I definitely think it's quicker to walk the strip to get from hotel to hotel, but it's easy to do right now because it's January. It is 40 degrees. I'm sure in the summer when it's 100 degrees, it's nice to walk through the air conditioning hotels. And it is cold. I got my winter jacket because I came from St. Louis, so to us this is like wonderful weather. But I definitely see a lot of tourists who are like, what the heck? This is freezing. So yeah, it's only been like 8 minutes and we're already halfway to our destination. I think I might stop at Treasure Island later because I don't know that I've ever been inside. Robert thinks I haven't, so I want to walk through that. All right. So we're in front of the Venetian. It's like 8 a.m. That's why it's not that busy. Still people walking, but it is not crazy busy yet.